it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I'm gonna show you how to make bread from scratch under 3 hours. Yeah, you heard me. I don't know if I was just looking for a challenge or what, but several attempts later, we have the recipe that I'm bringing to you today. And honestly, it's pretty poppin'. Now, you will see that this is a learning, trust the process kind of vibe, but I'm pretty confident that by the time the holidays roll around, I'm gonna be the person in the family with the responsibility of bringing the bread or making the bread. So, this video is kind of crazy, at least to me. But if you wanna see how I made it, just keep watching. And you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're gonna do is gather your dry ingredients. So I've got 3/4 cup of some bread flour. You can use regular flour. I've got a packet of instant yeast going in with a little bit of sugar and some salt, and I'm just gonna whisk that together. Now, let's start working on our wet ingredients, which we'll add. I've got some plain plant-based milk. I've also got a little bit of water and some melted butter. You wanna make sure this mixture is not too hot because you don't wanna kill the yeast. So I'm just gonna whisk everything together, and then I'm going in with 1/4 cup of flour at a time until I've reached an actual dough consistency. I ended up using about a full cup, but you'll do a little bit more depending on what you need. This is what my dough looks like after I've kneaded it and let it rest for about 10 minutes. And now I'm just, dividing it into smaller pieces and rolling them into balls so that way they can eventually become our yeast rolls. So I'm now gonna add them into a lightly greased pan, making sure to give them a little bit of space. Now this next part, y'all, I struggle so that you don't have to. So you should really cover and put them in a warm, damp place. I couldn't do that, so I just added like hot water to a bowl and then covered it. The purpose of this 30 to 45 minutes is so that way they can double in size. As you see, that didn't really happen. It's okay. Still put them in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes on 375. Pro tip is to just brush a little bit of some vegan butter on them, stick them back in the oven so they turn out looking like this. Let me know what you think in the comment section below when you make these yeast rolls.